Why it is important to live in present. Where are you now? How are you living right at the moment? What is this moment about? Are you really living it here and now? Too many questions to begin with the present moment. How many of you out there are living your life a breakneck speed? Work, family, life, education, and social obligations can take up all your time, leaving you feeling worn out and exhausted each and every day. And worries about health conditions, kids, or financial strain can take up every extra ounce of energy we have. Consistent thinking and worrying about the future, and instead of making present steps your priority, you lost all your time and already at the time you are aware. These days, this seems to be a way of life for many of us. Busy is the most common response to the question, "How are you?" And we wear our busyness like a badge of honor, as if that is what should define us. But filling our lives with all of this extra stuff and worry can really take its toll on both our physical and emotional health. Many times it takes an extreme event to snap us out of this fog and help us realize that there is more to life. But you should not wait until something extreme happens to start living life in the moment. So, what exactly does it mean to live in the moment? Living in the moment is not fretting about the past or worrying about what might happen in the future. That only robs us of the present. It's focusing on what's happening right now, which is really the only thing that we can control anyway. It's cutting out the things that are unimportant in life and focusing on the things that truly matters and bring us joy. Studies shows that people who focus on seeking pleasure at the moment are happier than those who are focused on the past, and those that take the time to notice more of the small things and enjoy the simple pleasure of life are happier and often more productive. There are only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday and the other is called tomorrow. So today is the right day to love, believe, do and mostly live, said by the Dalai Lama. Living for the future, I just can't wait for this to be over. I just have to get through this week. Once I became a professional artist, I can have some fun. I will be happier once I get this painting sold out. Have you ever found yourself saying statements like this? Chances are you have. Many of us have our eyes focused on achieving our goals, whether it be getting through an art program, finishing with a painting, getting commission work, or exhibiting a painting. We often have a sense that things will be better once we reach a certain milestone. In the meantime, we often try to make time go by as quickly as possible and get through it. Maybe you will wake up tomorrow and lose all you have, and that will be the moment when you will have to start from the very beginning. It will be a new journey. This is challenging. It is why most people choose to live life according to written list of tasks that are not even their own. Living the present can help to add enjoyment of each of our day, allowing us to see the positive moments that happen each day. This can add our sense of well-being and contentment with life. As we can find joy each day, not just on the few times a year that we have something big happen in our lives. And the most ridiculous thing is that when that long awaited moment comes, we are still not there. Physically, yes, but it's our thoughts. Deep down, we are already somewhere else, thinking about 100 other things in the future or the past. Then the very obvious question arises on its own: when are we really living? The importance of consistency. Being more present can feel foreign to us. Moreover, it can feel really hard to do. We can become easily distracted by our racing thoughts and frustrated with the entire process. This is entirely normal, especially when beginning practice. The key is to continue with these practices even when we feel distracted, anxious, or frustrated. Over time, you may notice that it becomes more intuitive to be present. While you will still have days where it is more difficult than usual, with consistency, you will be better able to incorporate being present into your daily life. Style is important because it gives art a voice. Consistency, I think, is even more important because it implies that voice. Your style should be what make you unique as an artist, but I admire style, but I require consistency. Are you living in the present moment?